been living in Bombay all our life, but we haven't gone to Townside together. We have reached Churchgate finally, and we're walking to Nandan Coffee. There's a 25-minute waiting. We have come to Nandan Coffee, and Mahika is saying she won't have coffee. Matlab,
there's no option also. I have to have coffee. It's like मंदिर के दर्शन करने आए ना.
Legit, like look at this crowd. What is this? Matlab, might as well watch from my house only. There's nothing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is another vlog. It's a Sunday and I am going to town to Fort Side with my friends Matangi and Mahika for like a very chill Sunday evening, and they're gonna meet me at the station and then we're gonna go to Churchgate. Oh my god, my dad's come. They're gonna drop me to the station and then we're going to Churchgate, and I will vlog later when I meet them. Vlogging in the station for the first time. Here's Matangi, here's Mahika. It's very hot. But our train is, I think, about to come in 2 minutes, I think.
I'm not there in the frame.
Okay, you're there in the frame now. It's too loud. Of course, we're at the station.
Why didn't you get a bag?
Because there's no need for me to get a bag. Now that's it.
What if we need to use a taxi? By chance. अगर ऐसे कुछ हुआ
Need to
तो
use
taxi.
So why does taxi need a
Some
bag?
people don't have UPI there.
Then you all have, na? Then I can pay all.
I'm not asking like that. I'm just asking generally why you not
Because
carrying
it's too
a
heavy.
bag.
But anyways, we are going to Churchgate, Townside.
Yeah, finally. First time.
First time together, Churchgate, Townside. So this now we've been living in Bombay all our life, but we haven't gone to Townside together. But
Once also we have not gone.
no, we've never gone together. No, I don't think so. And first train journey like with me, their first train journey together. But we'll vlog, maybe not in the train.
We have only gone in the Goa to Mumbai train. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
But local train first of all.
Local train first, Townside first time. So first of many.
Yeah,
First of many.
First of many you write as the title of the
Yes,
title.
but I'll probably like vlog in the train or then when we reach. Vlogging from the train, we have reached Grand Road, and now it's thoda sa less crowded. It was not that crowded anyways, but we are playing my most favorite game. Guess who? We have reached Churchgate finally, and we're walking to Nandan Coffee. We're going to Nandan Coffee, by the way, if I haven't said it. It's a pretty popular cafe and coffee place in town, and I'm hoping that the coffee and food is
we are
good.
going Fort also.
Yes, first time food.
Like all three of us together, not like the first time going.
Yeah, of course. But now, so there are like trees and it's like a garden type area. So Mahika said you can take good pictures. So we're going to stop, take pictures for 5 minutes and then start walking again. We have reached Nandan Coffee, but guess what? There's a 25-minute waiting. And yes, there is. Look, this one. Move. This is Nandan Coffee. We're just sitting outside Nandan Coffee, hoping to get a table very, very soon. But he just came and asked us how many people are there. So I'm hoping it's very hot. The entire walk she has been using this.
We are so sweet.
She was using this. That's why they gave us cute small like fans.
I've already got a bus.
Even I didn't get it.
we
Only both
got
of them got it. But I think he's going to get one for me. Mahika's just using the fan while we've come on the other side to take some pictures of the cafe. Just look at her. We have come to Nandan Coffee, and Mahika is saying she won't have coffee. Matlab,
But there's no option also. I have to have coffee.
you have to, and you have
I'm
to.
not feeling like having milk. I'm not feeling like having milk.
Even then, I think you should just feel it for the moment and have it. So Mahika is having her cold coffee. What is it actually called? What's it called?
It's the cold coffee.
Cold Kapi it's called. And my aunt Matangi is having her cappuccino. And I have my latte. It's literally the same. Like it's the same. And while talking, we also got our tiramisu French toast. It looks so delicious. The French toast was actually so good. It was like a tiramisu French toast. They only have one French toast option and it tasted amazing. And the plating was also too good. And how was your...
Food bowl.
Yeah, they have like it's a pet friendly place, so they have like dog food also. Matangi, how was your coffee? There was a lot of noise inside, so I thought of taking like everyone's review outside. How was the coffee for you? It was a cappuccino that she ordered.
It was classic. It was just what I needed.
And she likes a little bit of a strong coffee.
Yeah.
So she enjoyed it. Even I enjoyed my latte. I just had to put like sugar, which I always do. But it was good.
French toast was amazing.
French toast was really nice.
और थोड़ा गरम होता तो obviously
Yeah.
I think it would be more fun, but it was
But it was
amazing.
still really nice. And now we're going to Marines. But the thing is, we might have to get a taxi because it's actually 30.
No, we will
have to because 33 minutes walking from here.
When
So that
Sunville
is too
said
much. Sunville said because it's already like
already
yellowish.
setting, yeah.
It's already yellowish. So, but I'm hoping to get a good sunset. It's like really like yellowish and orangish. But how was your food and coffee, your review, because she was the first one to have the French toast, and I think her reaction like said it all.
Really, only thoda sa warm it would have been.
Yeah,
Thoda sa.
but it was really nice.
I love sunsets.
Yeah, and Marines and town ka sunset is so unbeatable. Yeah, we got
the
a
taxi in less than a minute.
In less than a minute, we got a taxi, and we are on our way to Marines. If we didn't get this taxi, sunset to gone only.
Sunset is happening.
But
very beautiful.
sunset is, you know, see.
Sunset is gonna happen.
Even Matangi is vlogging.
soon, and we're gonna be there.
Yes, even Matangi is vlogging, and I think she's gonna combine this vlog and my birthday
Multiple
vlog.
vlogs.
Multiple vlogs in one
That's my
vlog.
idea, but what if I come up with 2 vlogs? You never know.
You never know, but
never, it's a
anyways,
surprise for us
we are in both the
also.
vlogs, so go and subscribe to her channel as well, and tell your channel to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, you all know that.
Subscribe to mine also. Yes, we all are influencers. But what was Aisha's dialogue in Wake Up Sid?
That was
हाँ, अगर तुम मुझे एक जगह दिखा सकोगे बॉम्बे की, वो क्या होगी?
कौन सी जगह
वो कौन सी जगह होगी? And then he takes to Marine Drive. That's night time, but ours will be sunset time.
because that was monsoon.
But we're still living our Wake Up Sid life. We have reached Marines, and this is nothing. This is the crowd just to cross and reach Marine Drive. But I'll show you. That's the sunset, but the crowd is unreal, and we are also part of that crowd. And it's literally like people that are not come, that don't know Bombay. First time they've come to Bombay. Sunset for the first time. Crazy this is. We have crossed, like there was a stampede. What the hell is this? This is not Bombay. This is nonsense. Because of Instagram, it's got ruined.
I mean, we are also part of it, but like what
Part
you
of the
say now.
Instagram influenced community.
Like मंदिर के दर्शन करने आए ना.
Legit, like look at this crowd. What is this, matlab? But it's really beautiful.
Sunset is beautiful.
Sunset viewing is done. It's done.
मतलब 2 minutes.
2 minutes का
It was already done when we were about to like.
Yeah, but we got a few videos and that's it. Because what is this crowd? Matlab, you can't stand and enjoy the sunset.
Exactly. Like there's no point of enjoying here because सब भीड़ में.
Bhir mein is not no point. Actually, might as well watch from my house only. There's nothing. Matlab, it's beautiful, but it's too crowded. So beautiful. So wait. So beautiful, but too crowded.
Wow.
Now, yeah, we've crossed and we're coming to Nykaa because Mahika wanted to buy like a concealer, and even we might check some things out. Let's see. We just took a few pictures. We went to Marine. Nykaa, maybe we didn't find anything.
2 minutes
Nykaa Lux. Yeah, it was Nykaa Lux, so like premium products. Too much background noise, but now we're back at Churchgate Station to go back home. So we are now in the train. And how was your day, guys? How was your day?
It was very, very fun.
Chill day, na? And Marine Drive ka the craze. Matlab,
See, you always see nice stories.
Stories.
But the reality.
But
People
yes.
are putting the reality. So nowadays people are
putting the reality also. Even in this vlog, always see the reality. Crazy. Matlab, crowd is unreal. People.
It was so much fun.
It was so much fun. Yeah.
But still, I feel like
Sunset is beautiful. People call this sunset pagloos.
we are sunset pagloos then.
Yes. But now I will probably continue the vlog when I'm back home. What is this situation of my hair? I just washed my hair in the morning and just look at this. I think I'll like tie it and I'll come. I feel like I'm looking half decent now, but I'm so tired. Like literally, like suddenly all the energy from my body is like fully drained, and I would have maybe like continued the vlog, show y'all what I'm watching or something, but I am super tired, like super tired, and that's why I feel like I'm just gonna end the vlog here as it is. And I hope y'all enjoyed watching this really short cute vlog, and show some love to this vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.